balcony activation today.
Use vir my dit drein se swy vir my as dit tussen jou vriende is of jy gooi vir my op 'n silwerplaat en los my in die
hours and not be so naive to what people throw at us. That is why it is good to have a normal